The Nothing Phone 3 introduces a bold new design that breaks away from traditional smartphone aesthetics. Unlike most devices with centered or evenly placed cameras, this phone embraces asymmetry. The cameras on the back are placed unevenly, which may seem odd at first. However, users report that the design grows on them and becomes less noticeable over time. Replacing the earlier Glyph lights is the new Glyph Matrix, a more advanced feature that immediately grabs attention. One small but thoughtful addition is the blinking red dot on the back, which lights up during video recording, making it easy to know when the phone is actively filming. The back panel is reinforced with Gorilla Glass Victus for added durability and gives the phone a solid feel, although at 218 grams, it's slightly on the heavier side. Flip it over and you'll find a 6.67-inch AMOLED display that boasts a 1.5K resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive 4500 nits of peak brightness. The screen is shielded by Gorilla Glass 7i and features symmetrical bezels for a clean look, along with IP68 water and dust resistance. Now let's talk about that. Glyph Matrix, it's more than just a light show. Composed of 489 LEDs, it functions like a customizable display. You can use it to play simple games like spin the bottle or rock paper scissors by long pressing the dedicated Glyph button. The haptic feedback adds to the fun, making interactions feel more engaging. But it's not just for entertainment, it serves practical purposes too, like showing the time, battery level, notifications, and even caller ID. It can also act as a stopwatch or timer. On the camera front, the Nothing Phone 3 steps it up with a quad 50 megapixel setup. That includes a main sensor, a periscope lens with 3x optical zoom, an ultra-wide lens, and a high-res 50 megapixel selfie camera. All of them support 4K video recording at 60 FPS. A standout addition is the Essential key, a customizable button that now offers two useful tools. Flip to record lets you flip the phone and press the key to instantly start recording meetings or conversations, which are then saved with AI-generated summaries in a special space on your device. Essential Search is another clever tool that works like a universal search bar, allowing you to find anything across your apps, files, or messages. Under the hood, performance is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 S Gen 4 chip, paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR, 5x RAM, and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The phone uses a silicon carbon battery, which is a newer technology promising better efficiency. The global model includes a 5150 mAh battery, while the India variant packs a slightly larger 5500 mAh cell. Charging is fast. 65-watt wired gets you to 50% in under 20 minutes, and there's also 15-watt wireless support. However, you'll need to use your charger as one isn't included in the box. Software-wise, the device runs Nothing OS 3.5 based on Android 16 right out of the gate. The company promises 5 years of OS updates and 7 years of security patches, which is very promising. Pricing is where things get tricky. In India, the phone is priced at 79,999 Indian rupees. Even so, it's considered expensive for the Indian market, especially when compared to strong rivals like the OnePlus 13, iQOO 13, and even the iPhone 16. In summary, the Nothing Phone 3 offers some unique features like the Glyph Matrix with 489 LEDs, a versatile quad camera setup, essential tools like Flip to Record and Essential Search, powerful hardware, and long-term software support. The only major downside is the pricing, which may hold some buyers back. Still, the question remains, would you buy it? Let us know what you think, and be sure to subscribe to us. See you in the next one.